So here we are today at Disney's California Adventures looking for gluten-free things. And today I got teriyaki chicken at the Lucky Fortune Cookery. I'll put some pictures and video up so you can see what it looks like. But this is actually naturally gluten-free. You don't have to order it from the gluten-free menu. It actually comes already gluten-free, which is great and makes it easy. I did it on mobile order and I'll show you how to do that. It's $12.99. It comes with chicken, broccoli, white rice. Let's taste it. It's a sweet teriyaki. It's good. It's not a big portion for $12.99. If you have a Magic Key, you could get the discount. But it's a good small lunch. If you're gonna have a bigger dinner, this is a great option. And it comes warm, which is great. And it's really good with the rice on the side. And the fact that it's naturally gluten-free already, because it's so hard to find teriyaki things that are gluten-free. So this is a good one if you're looking for something small and you're looking for something over in California Adventure. I would recommend this. I like it a lot.
Just follow Mater into town to get it. Mater! Howdy! Here for the big race, huh? It's gonna be fun! Hey, you ever gone tractor tipping? It's easy. Just sneak up on them and pump. Ready? Don't forget.
Probably just a mess.
Champion needs speed
and style.
Luigi, give our friend your best.
Like a real race car. Guido, to the starting line. Come on in, rookie.
It takes more than new tires to win a race. I'm your new crew chief.
I'll tell you what to pitch hard. Get it into the groove. Pay attention.